So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually make concept covers for Instagram, and I'm going to be going over how to get pictures, how to upscale them, how to actually make covers in general and get better. So yeah, if you guys do want to cop my adjustments pack, make sure you guys do click down below in the description. I do have a free version out right now, and go try it out. Send me what you make in the Discord, and yeah, let's get into it. So to actually find images, I use YouTube, like YouTube videos if a video just dropped, Instagram, and also Last.fm. Now if you guys do use Google, they're not really like the best. They might be good, but they're really like generic stuff. These are my favorite like websites, I guess, or ways to actually get pictures for covers. So the first way I'm going to show you guys, so I'm going to be making a cover art for DEVSTACKS new. To actually get images off YouTube, what you need to do is to get an extension called Screenshot YouTube right here. I will leave a link down below to this extension. So what it does is it just gives you a screenshot button, and the screenshots whatever quality it is in. So if you have it in 4K quality, it will, you know, download in 4K. But yeah, I'm gonna just scan through these, and I'm just gonna get a picture of here. So when you're getting images, you don't really want you want clear images like this, and you want to kind of avoid things like this. I mean, you could use it, but it's just that hand is weird. So alright, so the next way I'm gonna show you guys is to just go under Instagram. Like I could use one of these, and then if you do want to use Instagram pictures, I recommend not screenshotting them and actually going to Snap Insta. And then once you download these, I want you guys to download this app right here, Upscale. I'll leave a link down below for you guys, just to, you know, because it's free and it's really like useful and helpful, especially for Instagram pictures, because they are low quality as shit. But yeah, the last way is Last.fm. Now, if they're really underground, they probably won't have any like pictures on here, but a lot of artists have like hundreds of pictures on here. So definitely look here, because you might find pictures you never seen before from like photo shoots or something. And also for these, you're gonna have to use Upscale as well, because these are like 500 by 500 pixels. So today I'm gonna be using my preset pack. I probably will use like my free one, to be honest, just to show you guys what you can make with the free one. And I do want you guys to make shit with my free one. Send me what you make in the Discord, and yeah, we're gonna run it up. I'll probably do like reviews or some shit, like I don't know. I fuck with this image. I think if I rotate it, boom, we could have it like this, and then just generative, bro, I can't say that shit. Generates. You know what I'm talking about, the AI fill. Whenever I'm playing back the videos, I don't know what the hell I'm saying. But yeah, we're just gonna get the marquee tool, just like get these boxes here, get the AI fill. Now, if you guys do want to get the AI fill, all you have to do is buy Photoshop. Now, if there wasn't any AI fill, I wouldn't be buying Photoshop. I'm not gonna lie. Like, look at this shit. Before, after. They low-key cooked them, I'm not gonna lie. I thought they did good, but man, they'll use this one. I mess with it. So I'm gonna just remove the background real quick. Then you just wanna, you know, go back in, kind of fill in the parts that you know they remove. So to get a smoother kind of brush, all you gotta do is whip up the brush settings. If you guys don't have this with the window, just press F5 or click this, and then space will probably be on like 15 or some shit. Just bring it down, bring it all the way down. But when you do like feather it out, kind of like this, make sure you pull it back up, because it's gonna lag your shit and it's gonna be so bad. When it's a hard brush, just bring it down. Shit, I don't know what to do with this, right? Like, bro, I love the cinematic look that shit like gives. Like, so yeah, I'll probably get another image in. Like, oh, I might get this one in. So I'm gonna blur the foreground, put like a white glow. Just gonna put this here, bring it all the way down to the back, and then probably just like bring the fill down, kind of just have it like that. Probably just make it smaller, so it's kind of like a tri-stack. So it's kind of like blurred and then full focus, and then blurred again in the background. So I'm gonna just put like a little vignette, I think it's called. Look, this is what I'm talking about. If you guys don't change your brush setting, that's what's gonna happen. get brightness and contrast. Just kind of build a base just so I can bring my adjustments in a minute. Kind of just get something. I'm gonna try get something nice out of this. Low-key tough. It's low-key tough. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. These are low-key hard for this shit. Getting noise just to kind of, you know, make it easier for me to see some shit. Alright, so I think this is a good base. So I'm gonna just merge all this. Gotta get the background too. Merge it all. See, this kind of like a simple like process you guys can like copy and paste. Literally just, you know, follow what I do. Like, it's kind of like how I make my simple covers. Like, this isn't really anything crazy, and there probably won't be anything crazy, I'm not gonna lie. But we're just gonna have like, it's kind of like a zombie effect, I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of getting zombie vibes out of this. I might try some more. Like, that's nice. So I'm gonna just go radio blur, get to zoom in. This is like my favorite effect. Put that to lighten, bring it up a bit, like expand it. Then make a layer mask, probably bring it up above this. Then just kind of like tap around little areas. This is looking hard, but I don't know, like. Wait, let me see. We could probably make it work. Oh shit, this fire. This looking hard as fuck, damn. What the fuck? I wanna change the color now. Yeah, the pink looking hard though, but I kinda fuck with that. Oh shit. I might have cooked. I'ma open up my pack. I don't know. To me, I think I cooked. That shit looks fire. Oh, I might be cooked. Fuck. Bro, I literally just cleared 30 gigs.